Welcome to Sci-Fi Talk. So finally, USA agrees to send its raw material to India. So Joe Biden, after just came to power, he uses its power to put a ban on exporting raw materials to India. He uses the Defense Act 1950. So what happened that change USA mind? So after first wave of coronavirus, after ending the first wave of coronavirus, India is doing very well, doing very great thing. He send vaccine to world, and India's vaccine is more cheaper. It cost nearly $3, but USA vaccine cost above $15. So Joe Biden Johnson, nobody wants to take vaccine from USA. So perhaps Joe Biden think about that and put sanctions, put ban on exporting raw material. But now India have very critical thing after the hitting of second wave of coronavirus. Delhi. I heard many news that one person died. So many person have died recently. I have known some of my relatives, some of my acquaintance, and India, man, very critical thing and nearly collapse its hospital. And when you go to the graveyard, you only burning many body, and very critical thing are going, so nearly going to crash. And in that time you are putting ban on raw material to give vaccine. India have already gave vaccine to many countries freely. There is lack of transportation system. So Russia, the enemy country of USA helping India and send some of its cryogenic container to India. So same on USA. Adar Poonawalla, the CEO of Serum Institute of India, directly tagged the Joe Biden that please give us the raw material, and we are not only using for Indian citizen, we are giving to many countries. So Germany, France also telling USA to give the raw material because they also have order from India, and India is producing vaccine, but now it's requirement for its own citizen because already crashed. Even Pakistan, the most enemy of India, also helping India. So it's a very bad thing for Joe Biden to not giving raw material to India in a very difficult situation. Even enemy are coming, and you have to lose one of your most important country if Russia will help. And Russia is also helping and giving many oxygen cryogenic container for transport, and many medicine, remdesivir injection, and giving a lot of things, but you are just putting a ban on it. So thanks Joe Biden, and after receiving the raw material, India not only give to its younger population, but also will send to many countries, United Nations, and also to poorer country also.